So I've got LGK8 2018 and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then go to the general, pick accounts and sync, and now go to the accounts Google. So at first we will remove the current account. This is mine, so it's HardReset.Info1@gmail.com. Tap on the more icon and select remove account. Now confirm that you would like to remove account with all messages, contacts and other data connected with this account by tapping on remove. And that's it. As you can see now, there is no accounts here, and if you would like to add the account, click on add account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, then select Google. And simply log in with yours, so you can use either your email address or phone number. In my case it will be email address. And then click on next. Now just enter the password, so let me enter it off the screen. And as only it's done, click on next. Then come along with all Google terms of service and privacy policy, and if you agree with all the above terms, click on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, you've got your account included to this device. Here it is. If you click on Google Accounts, you will notice recently added HardReset.Info1@gmail.com. So that's all. This is how you can add and remove Google account in your LGK8 2018. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.